Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry ramen noodles. First, let's get organized. You'll need your favorite instant ramen, a variety of colorful vegetables, and a protein like chicken or tofu. A key step is to mix your stir-fry sauce ahead of time. Think soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a touch of honey or sugar. Also, chop all your veggies into similar sizes so they cook evenly and quickly. Finally, cook your ramen noodles until they are just tender. Then drain them thoroughly and set aside. Now let's get those ingredients prepped. Take your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or tofu, and slice it into thin, uniform pieces. This helps it cook quickly and evenly. Don't forget your aromatics. Mince about 2 cloves of garlic and grate roughly 1 inch of fresh ginger. These add incredible depth of flavor. Have your pre-mixed sauce and all your colorful, chopped vegetables, like bell peppers and snap peas, lined up and ready to go. This makes the stir-frying process smooth. Time to cook. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over a good medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add your protein and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's nicely browned and fully cooked. Next, toss in your minced garlic and grated ginger, stirring for just about 30 seconds until you can really smell those wonderful aromas. Then, add your harder vegetables, such as carrots and broccoli, and stir-fry them for 2 to 3 minutes to get them tender crisp. Almost there. Now, add your softer vegetables like sliced mushrooms or spinach to the pan and cook for just about 1 minute until they are slightly wilted. It's time for the stars of the show. Add your drained ramen noodles and pour in that delicious, pre-mixed stir-fry sauce. Toss everything together vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes, making sure every noodle and vegetable is beautifully coated in the sauce. Serve your homemade stir-fry ramen immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or fresh green onions. Enjoy your flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.